What's up, guys? This is Lady Wrenchhand, and you are watching Safety, Ground Ops, and Servicing Questions 1 through 20. Number 1. What are two factors that affect safety when working with electricity? Fear and overconfidence. Number 2. To prevent electrical fires, how must areas surrounding electrical work or electrical equipment be kept? Free of clutter and flammable substances. Three. When using a high-pressure air bottle, it is important to use what? A pressure regulator. 4. When preparing an aircraft for towing, what must be released in order to move the aircraft? The parking brake. 5. What is necessary to prevent hearing loss? Hearing protection. 6. What is FOD, or foreign object damage? It is any damage to an aircraft, personnel, or equipment caused by any loose object. 7. When an aircraft is being taxied on the ramp, whose view must the technician remain in? The pilot's view. 8. Where must you approach a helicopter from? The pilot's view. 9. When approaching a single-rotor helicopter, never approach from where? The rear, because the tail rotor cannot be seen. 10. When going around a helicopter, where must you go around? Around the nose. 11. What is the key to fire safety? Knowing what causes it, how to prevent it, and how to put it out. 12. What three things are required for a fire? Fuel, heat, and oxygen. 13. What are the three basic types of fire? Class A, Class B, and Class C. 14. What is a Class A fire? Combustible materials such as wood, paper, and cloth. 15. What is a Class B fire? Flammable petroleum products, flammable combustible liquids, greases, solvents, and paint. 16. What is a Class C fire? Electrically energized wiring and equipment. (17) What is the fourth class of fire and what does it involve? Class D, flammable metal such as magnesium. (18) What type of fire extinguisher is used on Class A fires? Water extinguishers or CO2? (19) Never use a water extinguisher on what type of fire? Class D. 20. Never use a CO2 extinguisher on what type of fire? Class D. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure and subscribe for more videos like this, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up.